Welcome back to Cruising with Carla. Today, we are looking at this beautiful 1956 Meteor Rideau Sunliner, known as Juicy Fruit, named for its unique colors: Grove Green, Saffron Yellow, and Raven Black. So buckle up, because this is a car you don't want to miss. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's take a ride through history in the 1956 Meteor Rideau Sunliner, a rare and stunning example of mid-century Canadian automotive craftsmanship.
Hey Ted, what are we doing back here anyways? How do we get stuck at the back, hey?
Oh, listen guys, you're only good to make the cars. We have to drive them.
That's right.
You restore them, we drive them.
Built exclusively for the Canadian market by Ford of Canada, the Meteor Sunliner Rideau combines American styling with unique Canadian features, making it a standout in the classic car world. The 1956 Meteor Sunliner Rideau Convertible came with a powerful 292 cubic inch 4.8 liter wide block V8, putting out 200 horsepower at 4,400 RPM. In transmission, well, it was either a 3-speed manual or optional Ford-O-Matic automatic transmission. This beautifully restored convertible captures the essence of the 1950s with its elegant design, vibrant paint, and powerful V8 engine. In this video, we dive into the specs, history, and legacy of the 1956 Meteor Sunliner Rideau, one of the most sought-after Canadian-built Fords of the era. This two-door convertible had a wheelbase of 115.5 inches, was 198.5 inches long, and weighed approximately 3,300 pounds. Fuel system? Talk about your two-barrel carburetor. Brakes? Drum brakes in the front and the rear, and the interior a deluxe trim with Rideau badging and optional two-tone upholstery. Meteor produced approximately 53,000 cars in 1956. Of these, only 479 convertibles were made that year. There are very few surviving examples today, making this one of Canada's rarest and eye-catching classic convertibles. Let's ask Carla to see if she knows the difference between a 1956 Ford Sunliner and a 1956 Meteor Sunliner Rideau.
Great question, Graham. So the 1956 Ford Sunliner and the 1956 Meteor Rideau Sunliner are closely related, but have some key differences rooted in market and styling. Firstly, in 1956, Ford Sunliner was produced by Ford USA, part of the popular Fairlane series, and widely sold in the American market. In 1956, Meteor Rideau Sunliner, this was a Canadian exclusive brand created by Ford of Canada. Meteor's cars were essentially Fords with some Mercury styling cues, designed to be sold through the Mercury-Meteor dealerships in Canada. The Ford Sunliner has the standard Ford Fairlane badges and trim. However, the Meteor Rideau Sunliner has unique Meteor badging, including stylized M logos, a distinctive grille, different taillight bezels, and unique trim pieces. The Rideau designation was the top trim level for the Meteor line in 1956. While mechanically nearly identical, same engines, transmissions, chassis, the Meteor Rideau Sunliner would often include slightly upgraded interior and exterior trim compared to the standard Ford Sunliner. Grille, taillights, hood ornament, and trim were the most noticeable visual changes. For example, the Meteor's front end had more in common with Mercury design cues to help it stand apart from its Ford counterpart.
Well, everybody, I guess Carla really does know what she's talking about. Stay tuned for the full interview of Juicy Fruit with proud owner Ted Forbes. And as always, stay tuned for more of Cruising with
Carla.
Carla, she's the smart one.